Welcome students, it's Miss Walton here to teach you all about word ladders and helping you to be successful. We're going to work through this word ladder together and then you'll know what to do on any other word ladders after that. So here's the word ladder, and when you think of a ladder, remember a ladder is something you use to climb up to get to something higher. You always start at the bottom and go up to the top. So that is what we're going to do with our word ladder. We're going to start down here and then go to the top. You'll see it starts with number 1 here, number 1 over here, kind of hard to see, and you go to the top to number 10. And to make it easier so you can see number 1 while you're trying to type it in, I have a little trick for you. Take a look at this keyboard I have. If you hit this button right here, CTRL it's called, Control, and hit this minus sign, you can zoom out on your formative screen. So I'm going to hold the control button and then I'm going to hit the minus button just a couple of times. Then I can scroll down a little and look. I can still read everything and I have the ability to see the number 1 up here and the 1 down here, so I can do both. So let's get started on this word ladder. They start us down here with the word few. So we're going to use this word to help us figure out the next word. And so next word is here on number 1. And it says the opposite of old, change 1 letter. You could also listen to the recording right here, but I'll just read it for you on this video. Opposite of old, change 1 letter. So I'm taking the word few. I need to change 1 letter. The opposite of old would be new. So you see, I changed my F to an N, and I kept the EW. And that is what the opposite of old is, so that makes sense. Now I'm going up my ladder from the word new, and I'm going to number 2, which reads in the present time. Change 1 letter. So I'm going to change 1 letter in this word new, and it has to do with the present time. Well, present time means that something is happening now. So my word is now. I changed my E to an O, and I kept my other letters. I only changed 1 letter just like it told me to, and now I've got my new word, which is now. Okay, so we finished 2. Now we're going to jump to 3, which says to cut grass. Change 1 letter. So I'm going from now, I've got to change 1 letter, and it gives me the hint of to cut grass. Well, you're cutting grass, you use a lawnmower, you're mowing the lawn, or you're just going to mow. Change the N to an M, and you keep the OW the same, and you've got the new word mow. Going to number 4, the sound made by a cat. Add 1 letter. So we've got to add 1 letter to the word mow. Okay, and I know what a sound made by the cat is. It's meow. And spelling it, I'm going to add that E, meow, and I've got meow there. And I added that 1 letter just like it said. So now I'm going to go to number 5. More than 1 man. Take away 2 letters, then add 1. Okay, more than 1 man, that means plural of man. So if there's more than 1 man, it's a bunch of men. And I have to take away 2 letters and add 1 letter. So it says to take away 2 letters and add 1 letter. And I said the word is men. So I'm going to keep E-M-E, and I'm going to take away O-W and add N. So the word is men. Okay, so I've got 5 here. I'm going to scroll down even more so I can see 6 and 7. And a chicken that lays eggs, change 1 letter. So you got to think about it. You might not know which chicken lays an egg, but you know that you have to change 1 letter. So think about what it might be. Think about the different names of chickens. There's a rooster is technically a chicken, but that wouldn't make sense. But it's the chicken that lays eggs. It's a hen. So you're going to change that M to an H. So see how this takes time to think and kind of figure out what it would be. Let's keep going. So number of fingers a person has, change one letter. Well, I can count my fingers and I see that I have 10. I change my H to a T and I've got 10. Perfect. Now we're on number 8. So we've taken 10 and we're on 8, a light brown color, change one letter. A light brown color, and I'm changing one letter. It would be tan. I'm changing that vowel to an A, the E to an A. So I'm taking tan and I'm going to number 9 here, and it says a male person older than a boy. A male person older than a boy. Well, the only words I can think of to describe someone who's a male is boy and man. So man, we see that word again because it said down here more than one man. So I guess we see this word again. Man is a male person older than a boy. And our last one is number 10. It says more than a few. Add one letter. So we're going to add one letter to this man. If I have more than a few, I have many. And I just added the Y there. Okay, I ran through this one with you. Good luck on this one and any other word ladders you do. Boys and girls, I know you guys can think and use your brains to figure out these different words. Good luck.